This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings and tapping passwords. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode so you can access saved entries. Once in, make sure autofill passwords is enabled so Safari and apps can suggest credentials. Also confirm iCloud Keychain is turned on if you want passwords synced across devices. You're doing this now so the iPhone can supply credentials when needed. These steps give the system permission and connectivity to fetch saved logins quickly and securely. When you reach a sign-in screen, tap the username or password field and look for the autofill suggestion above the keyboard. Tap it to insert the saved credentials. You'll often be prompted to confirm with Face ID or Touch ID, which both verifies you and prevents accidental autofill. Once done, make sure the app accepted the credentials and logged you in. If a password needs updating, go back to Settings Passwords to edit or copy it, then retry the login for a clean finish. To finish, tidy up any outdated entries by editing or deleting them in Settings Passwords so autofill uses the correct data. If saved passwords aren't appearing, try toggling iCloud Keychain off and back on, or sign out and sign into iCloud to force a resync. Make sure autofill is still enabled for Safari and that the specific app allows autofill. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. That often resolves permission or temporary cache problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.